Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to revisit a project that I did a little while ago. Wanted to give you an update on. It's the free chicken feed project where I was harvesting some black soldier fly larvae from our table scraps. You know, it was another way of feeding our chickens from, instead of just feeding them the scraps directly, we put them in this bin, harvest the larvae, and then feed those to the chickens. And it worked out pretty well, and I have some previous videos on that that you can check out, but ran into a little problem, so I wanted to show you that and give you a little update. So if you remember from that previous video, this is the system for harvesting the larvae. This is just our regular compost pile that we'll use for the garden. But when I open it up, got a bunch of oranges, looks kind of rough, but there's no soldier flies. It's just like actual like fruit flies and stuff. But what has happened is in the winter time there is no activity, and so that's the problem I've run into is really there's just no activity in the winter time. So I need to find another way of providing this like kind of supplement to the chickens. Kind of helps with their egg production. So so recently actually Grubterra reached out to me again and wanted me to kind of you know, take another look at their product and you know, test it out with the chickens, see how it works. So let's go do that. So here's the 1 pound bag of the product here, and what they do is they actually use you know, kind of food waste from certain sources, and they bring it to their facility and use these larvae to kind of eat down that food waste, and then they dry these these larvae and then package them up to ship. So they're all dried. You can see them there. They're pretty whole. They're not like a dust pile of bug bits. They're pretty nice. So I know, of course. Let's see if they like it. So the last time I did this was with the other chickens. This is several years ago with our Americanas. So these are our lavender Orpingtons. Let's see if they're a little more skittish than the others. So let's see how they do. There we go. So they normally run away from me when I have a big, yeah, see? They run away, but they like the food. So let's get a closer look there. All right, so those other chickens I just showed you were our lavender Orpingtons. We also call them our pretty chickens, just because they're really nice looking feathers on them and stuff, and just nice coloring. They're a little more skittish, but these are our Americanas, and you can tell they're much more friendly. They're almost like little dogs, you know. They're a little skittish, I guess, but they will come up to me and kind of more curious, I guess, chickens, and they love these soldier fly larvae. I feed them. Here comes their leader. Is here, right here is Sunshine, the chickens. So they love these things. I've been feeding them this Grubterra product for a while now. Again, when probably about 3-4 years ago when I first found out about them, and You know, I liked the product. It was a you know, just good supplement for the chickens. They really liked it, and we made a little game out of it. When the last video, I made this little like shooter that we shoot the larvae at the chickens. My kids loved it. But I also liked what the company does. It takes food waste that would otherwise go to landfills and turns it into feed for chickens. So I thought that was kind of a cool idea, you know, and a ways to kind of reduce our, you know, volume of landfill. And so I'm going to start using this again in the winter time. I thought I could just do it all at my house, but with this, you know, kind of project I made for harvesting my own, but you know, doesn't work in the winter time. So this is a good product I'm going to keep around here for the winter. So overall, I think Grubterra is a great product to use for your chickens as a supplement to their feed. I'm going to be using them in the winter time because I'm not going to be able to harvest my own soldier fly. But if you could, you know, click on the link below. I'm going to put it in the description, and go check them out with their website. See what kind of products they have that you want. If you've tried them out before, please comment below and let me know your experience with this product. And if you would like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.